Okay, so now we're going to talk you through game 16 of your Blimey box challenges. In this particular game, you'll see from the top we do need some more materials than normal. We need the pencil, a coin, some scotch tape, as well as children's scissors, so you'll want to round that up ahead of time. The first thing we're going to talk you through, as always, is setting the locks to the codes at the top. This particular one doesn't have a number in it because we're going to be using a coin, and the date on the coin is going to be the code for this lock. So let's go ahead, set our locks, and then we'll walk through the instructions below. The first one we're going to set is our black 3-digit lock. This one is set to zeros, so I'm going to now make him say 856. And that one's good to go. The 3-digit red lock needs to be set to 574. Our letter lock needs to be switched to BHT AL. So that's our code. We're going to switch him back down so that our lines match up and we know the combination is right. And then, as I mentioned earlier, on our 4-digit lock, we are going to use the number, the date on the coin that you're putting right in the middle of this task 2 with the scotch tape. So the date on our coin is 2015. And then I'm going to click it back. It's set. And so now all of our locks are set. If you have any problems at this stage setting the locks, there is a separate video on how to reset each one, so you can take a look at that. But we're going to move on to the instructions. The first thing it says to do in this particular game is to put our treasure in the littler treasure box. In this case, we're going to let my son watch a cartoon. If he gets through the box, he'll be thrilled to get that. You close that, and it says to lock it with the 3-digit lock number 574, which we already set. And I'm then going to just turn all those down to 0. And we will put that inside of our larger box, just like so, and set that aside. The next thing it says to do is to cut apart tasks 1 to 4 and tape a coin on task 2. I went ahead, I have already cut up our tasks, and as you can see I have a coin taped there, so we're ready to go. The date is right there on the coin, so make sure if you tape it to the page, the date is showing so your child can figure out the code. And then it says the next thing to do is to fold this task 4 and to place it in our lockable bag. I'll put him in there and zip up the bag. Once the bag's zipped up, we're going to close that with the hasp and then lock the hasp with our letter lock. I'm going to turn that back to match to reset it. Our 4-digit lock, which I will reset to zeros, and our 3-digit lock, the black lock, which I'll set to 0 as well. So now your bag is all locked up and ready to go. We're going to put that inside of our larger box. Tuck him in behind there, fold him over so he all fits. The next thing you need to do is to put your tasks 1, 2, and 3 all right behind your bag, and make sure in this particular case you put the pencil inside as well. And then close the box. Once your box is closed and ready to go, we're going to need to lock the box with our key lock. And now you've got a locked box ready so that your child can start working through the key task. In this case, they're going to need the scissors to get that done to finish the Sudoku puzzle. They'll cut out the pieces at the bottom and finish the puzzle above, whereupon you'll give them the key and they will be into the box. Good luck. We'll look forward to working with you on the next one.